Hello, I'm Nadia MacLeod from RP Emery Legal Kits, and we help couples secure their financial futures with our online template kits. The silly season can be a stressful time for any relationship. In fact, research shows that breakups are common in the lead up to Christmas. In this video, we'll explore a few reasons for holiday breakups and how clear communication can be your best strategy. During the holidays, finances can be especially stretched. For this reason, it's important to discuss the situation calmly. If money is tight, set yourself a realistic Christmas budget so you can avoid a spending blowout. Friction over family commitments can also ignite arguments. To avoid unnecessary conflict, make sure you decide well in advance whose family you'll be spending time with each year. If expectations differ about what the holiday season should entail, cracks in an unstable relationship may widen. Again, communication is key here. Don't expect your partner to read your mind. Instead, be proactive and tell them exactly what your expectations are. Keeping children busy over the holidays can be a shock to the system, especially if your partner isn't sharing the responsibility equally. Here it is important to communicate about parental responsibilities. You should also compromise on duties where you can. Finally, the new year is a time to reflect and reassess. For those in unhappy relationships, this may force them to consider whether they want to continue down the same path. If you can see your partner is unhappy, ask them to discuss it with you. A counsellor could also help you get through a bumpy patch. If your relationship fails despite you and your partner's best efforts, you're not alone and it's okay. A divorce settlement can be a peaceful process and it doesn't have to be expensive either. Our ebook, We've Decided to Separate, What Happens Now, sets out everything you need to know about separation and divorce in Australia. It's free and available to download right now. Check out the link in the description below to find out more. And for more detailed information on surviving the holiday stress, read our blog article. The link's in the information below.